Hi, I'm Kurt Stoniker, Technical Trainer and Coordinator for IT Services here at Western Colorado University. Today's quick tip is for those of you working remotely full-time or for extended periods. While you're away from campus, it's a good idea for both Mac and Windows users to log in through GlobalProtect VPN, our virtual private network of choice, at least once every month or so. This helps automatically keep your group policy up to date. Without getting into too much detail, group policies are used by our system administrators to help increase the security of your computer and guard against both internal and external threats. If your group policy is too far out of date, it could affect your access to certain programs and university resources. For Windows users, you'll most likely have GlobalProtect VPN in your system tray. It should look like this. If not, you can tap the Windows key and type VPN. When GlobalProtect VPN comes up, simply click on it to open the application. For those Mac users, you're going to want to check in your Launchpad here. If you can't find GlobalProtect in your Launchpad, try a Spotlight search. Use the keyboard shortcut Command plus Spacebar to bring up the Spotlight search. Type the word Global, and the VPN should be one of your first results. Once you open GlobalProtect VPN, for most of you it will be as simple as clicking on the Connect button. If you're having problems or have never used the VPN, you may need to make sure this application is set up properly. Both Mac and Windows users can click on the menu button. Some people affectionately refer to this as the hamburger, here. Select Settings from the pop-up menu. Make sure you're on the General tab and look under Portals. The only portal should be vpn.western.edu. If this is not the portal you see, or there are none, click the Add button at the bottom of the screen. This will look like a plus sign for you Mac users. In the new window, type vpn.western.edu and click Save. Once this is complete, you can go ahead and close the window and relaunch the program. If the VPN still won't connect, you may have an old password saved. To correct this, simply click on the hamburger again, and in the General tab, click Sign Out. You'll get a warning that says, this action will clear the saved credentials from GlobalProtect. Click OK. For Windows users, GlobalProtect will automatically add your current Windows credentials to its login information. Since Western utilizes single sign-on, your current Windows credentials should match the login and password needed to launch GlobalProtect VPN. For you Mac users, you'll be prompted for your login information when you relaunch the VPN. Again, this will be the same login and password you use for all Western resources. Now you're ready to connect. If you're still having problems or have questions, please submit a work order and IT will be happy to walk you through it. For IT Services, I'm Kurt Stoniker, and thanks for watching.